The Advanced Question feature allows you to enter questions that have multiple parts or special features that are hard to include in other types of questions, such as images, equations, and so on. There are two places you might start, depending on your version of LaunchPad. If your quiz has a Questions tab, you can begin adding questions to your quiz by clicking the Questions tab at the top of your screen. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Create button and select Advanced Question. If your quiz has a Review and Modify tab, you can click Create New Questions and then Advanced. Note that not all courses offer advanced questions. Type your question into the text box that says Click here and start typing. There are several formatting and other features available in the Advanced Question Editor that you can use when you write your question. These tools are displayed in the toolbar at the top of the page. To add a link to your question, highlight the text you wish to hyperlink, click on the link button in the toolbar, and enter the URL of the website you wish to hyperlink. Then click Insert. To add a picture, click on the Insert Edit Image icon. You can browse for an image on your computer or enter an image URL. Be sure to click the Upload button. The image should then appear in the preview box. When you see the image in the preview box, click Insert.
The equation feature of the Advanced Question Editor requires Adobe Flash Player, which is no longer supported in most browsers. As such, you will not be able to create an advanced question with an equation in it at this time. You can close out of the pop-up that appears using the Escape key.
When you are ready to add an answer to your question, click the Insert Response Area icon on the toolbar. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the type of response you wish to insert. Note that advanced questions are automatically graded and require an exact answer. If you are writing a free response question to be manually graded, you should use an essay question. For text, numeric, and formula answers, first enter your answer into the text box provided. Click the Save icon to the right of the answer field, and then click Save at the bottom. For multiple choice answers, first type your answer into the text box provided where it says Click to Edit. You can also add a formula or an image to the answer choice using the buttons at the right. Second, click Add Answer option at the bottom to add another answer choice. Third, select the correct answer choice using the radio button. If you choose to scramble choices, your answer choices will appear in a random order to your students. Use a lock button to the right of an answer choice to prevent it from scrambling. Finally, when you are finished, click Save at the bottom. You can add a hint to your question by clicking the Add Hint button. A text box will appear in which you can add a hint that your students can view when taking the quiz. You can also add another step in the Advanced Question Maker by clicking Add Step at the bottom of the question editor. If you are creating a multiple step problem, you can add a final solution by clicking on the Add Solution button at the bottom of the question editor and entering your solution into the text box that appears. When you are finished writing your question, click the Save button at the bottom left of the question editor. A green check mark will appear indicating your question correctly saved. You can change the question name by clicking Properties. Your question will now appear in the questions list for your quiz. Thank you for using LaunchPad.